Welcome. Today I bring the cloudy joy.
In the vast expanse above, a kind spirit danced through the air. His soft form shimmered with joy, having just brought life to the thirsty land below. Underneath the vast branches, two little ones sighed. Their laughter had vanished, replaced by a blanket of gray, despite the lush world around them. They whispered wishes to the wind. They wanted brightness, a spark to ignite their smiles once more. Seeing their longing, a wave of determination washed over him. He couldn't bear their gloom. He needed a plan. The wise dust brushed against him, sharing secrets of forgotten magic. Where sunbeams kissed raindrops, wonder was born. Bright and beckoning. He felt a spark of hope. This might be the moment he was waiting for. With a flick of his fluffy form, the droplets danced to the warmth. They shimmered and sparkled like tiny diamonds in the light. As the light flowed through, a brilliant arc leaped into existence. It spanned the heavens, a bridge of joy from cloud to earth. Their frowns melted away, replaced by gasps of wonder. The two little dreamers called their friends, enchanted by the magic above. Laughter bubbled up like a stream. Together, they danced beneath the splendor, basking in the colors that painted the sky. From above, the fluffy spirit beamed down, warmth spreading through him. He had brought back their delight. He felt alive. From above, the fluffy spirit beamed down, warmth spreading through him. He had brought back their delight. He felt alive.